So in this video we are going to discuss about the one of the famous question. It is basically a scenario based question which is usually asked in the SAS interviews. So basically in this question, as you can see, we have one initial table and the table name is detail, and we have only one column info, and inside info column you can see we have so many values here. For example, Rahul 24 Saxena, Preeti 34 Malhotra, and same as like the Mary 23 Aniston. So basically this column is the combination of first name, age and the last name. So what do we have to do here is that we have to separate the first name, last name and the age into three different columns, and this we need to do with the help of SAS. So let's see how to do that. Okay, so now I'm just going to create that table, the detail table, and also we are going to look into the solution. So let first just create this table and see if it is being created correctly or not. So as you can see, now we have this info column and we have all the values inside it. Now let's run for the solution. Okay, so as you can see, we have here three different columns apart from info column. So we have age, we have first name and we have the last name. So how did we get these values using SAS? So basically we have made use of here two functions. One of the function name is compress and the another function name is scan. So in the compress function we are making use of this modifier which is KD. It stands for keep digit. So basically as you can see that we have three parameters here. So the first parameter we have passed on the value of this column. The second parameter we have left it empty, and in the third parameter which is meant for the modifier we have keep it as a KD. So what will happen? So whatever the value we have inside the info column, it will keep only the digit part into it. Then in the second case, the first name, we have basically making use of the scan function. So as we know, in a scan function the first parameter would be of the value, the column name which we want to pass on. The second parameter is basically the chunk, which chunk we want to keep, and the third parameter is used for the delimiter part. So by defining the age here, we are trying to say that we want to keep the digit part within all these values as a delimiter. So it will treat it as a delimiter. 24 will be treated as a delimiter. That's why the Rahul would be the first chunk and the Saxena would be the second chunk. So in this way it will be taking out the first name. Then in the case of last name, instead of age I have just mentioned here the compress part just to give you the understanding. These are the same thing. So again, what we are doing in the scan part, the first parameter we are passing on the values of the column. The second part is the chunk part because we want the last name. So we are mentioning here the second two here. And in the third part, which is basically used for the delimiter, we have again make use of this compress function with the KD modifier. So it will keep like these digits as a delimiter. So in this way we can basically easily find out the all the values in a separate columns. I hope you like it. Thank you.